Good morning, VI planners. I am going to take a minute out of your day today and show you something fun that you can make with your Kiss Kit and the long notepad in the Notepad Trio set. I'm going to add a couple of extra things to your Kiss Kit, a piece of ribbon, and then I'm going to use some pop dots. Or dimensions. And then we're going to make a fun little kit which you can give away for teacher's gifts or like for office gifts. And so I'm going to include a pen gem as well. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's really, really simple, and it uses out of your Kiss Kit two things. One, the cardstock and one of your pattern papers, and we're going to use a sentiment card and one of the die cuts. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take this long piece of paper and we're going to cut it to 9 inches this way. Okay, so here we have our piece of paper. It's 9 inches. We're going to fold it in half, hot dog style, and I'm going to score mine at 4 1/4. So if you have a paper scorer, this would be the best way to do it. So I've scored my paper, and I'm just going to fold it right in half. The fun thing with this one is it's really 2 cuts and some glue, and that's it. So the next piece, we're going to take our pattern paper and we're going to cut it at 3 3/4. Just a straight line, nothing super fancy. And now we have all the pieces that we're going to need to put this together. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is take our ribbon, and we're just going to cut a nice little piece. I'm going to attach it underneath this piece of paper so you can't see it. So to do that, I'm just going to use some adhesive. And then we're going to cut this piece here. Okay, then we are going to take this piece of paper and we're going to attach it. I dropped my adhesive. Hi, Nicole. Now it doesn't roll straight, and it is irritating. There we go. Oops, sorry about that. Good thing this is just a demo and I'm not giving it away, because that's going to be irritating. Okay. Oh, thank you, Nicole. I am a Pinterest snob. I love Pinterest. I get lots of ideas on there and then just implement it for you guys so you can see how quick and easy it is to make things. Okay, so once we have our piece of paper on there, we're going to add our sentiment card, which is this little piece. If you stamp, you can stamp on it. If you are a if you have fabulous handwriting, you can handwrite on it. I do not have fabulous handwriting, so I'm going to opt not to do that today. Okay, and then we're going to take our little die cut and our dimensions. Dimensions, I got these through Stampin' Up. They make it 3-dimensional. So they're just little stickers. You can pop them on there, and you guys, if you need a Stampin' Up rep, there are about a handful in here that would be happy to show you how to use these bad boys and where you can get them. So we're just going to pop these off of here. Okay, and we're just going to add it to the front so that it pops off a little bit. So you can see kind of what that does there. It just makes it pop off the paper a little bit. Okay, now we're going to add... Hi, Jalinda. We're going to add this little beauty right here. Again, this is the middle size or the long size of the notebook trio, and this particular one is out of the fall. We do have our holiday ones, and we have the Be the Change ones. We have the new blush style. So lots of things you can choose to do with this particular notepad. I just added a little adhesive. We're going to pop that right down the middle. We're going to close it up and tie a nice, neat little bow. And then we're going to add our pen gem for good measure. And that's it. A quick, easy gift with your deco kit, a PenGems pen, and a Notepad trio. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this little demo today from our KISS kit, and I hope you guys have a fabulous Friday, friends. See you soon.